Here's a problem I have. Maybe you've got the same. All this unused wax in a cool container I don't want to throw away. We can solve both of those problems with all this stuff. We'll heat some water to melt the wax nice and evenly. While that's swimming, we can get our container ready. These sticky parts stick the wick to the bottom. They're double-sided. Some kind of glue or tape would also work. Right there. This keeps the wick centered while it's melting so it doesn't fall in the wax. You don't need that though, you could just use like a popsicle stick or something. You don't want the wax to get too hot or it'll change how it smells. But as long as you're paying attention to it, I don't think that would happen. There's a lot of DIY options for what to pour the wax into. I've used mason jars, glass yogurt containers, pretty much anything glass or metal that you can reasonably find. Ideally your wax won't have so much gunk on the bottom. I'm not sure why this one does. A lot of ash and stuff. Please be careful where you're doing this. You don't want to be picking wax out of your rug or anything. Stovetop might be the move. A pitcher with a spout is also a good idea, depending on what size you're working with. It takes about 10 or 20 minutes to harden. You can speed it up with the fridge or like a bowl of water or something. In the meantime, I washed the container, which looks good with a plant in it, or you could even put some snacks. Trim the wick about a wick's length, maybe half an inch. Any excess will just burn off. This size wick works really well for the small candles, but if you have a larger container, you'll want to think about multiple wicks or adding a larger one. So peaceful. There we go. An eco-friendly use of excess wax. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next week.